What's up guys, today we have a quick job. The client's got to rush out. Basically a neighbour's tried to fix a new battery into this and they don't know if it's working correctly or not. I assume not, but we're going to take it apart today and we're going to have a look. We're going to see what we can do for the customer. Now they changed this case already apparently. Unclipped it. Oh. Let's have a look. Oh wow, okay, so there's the battery. Oh my goodness. Okay, they've done. So here's the problem. They snapped the leg. Very big problem. So let's fix the problem, I suppose. We're putting a brand new battery in. So we're putting this lovely little clamp I got, which I love. Fantastic clamp. And we'll see if we can fix the problem. Also, I noticed the copper pads were gone, but we can fix that. I got that, and they sold a sucker. Flux and a solder sucker that has vanished apparently. So it looks like I'm going to have to do this the really awkward way. So put dab of solder on it, see if we've got any solder wick left at least. Wow, I don't know, that sucker's gone. I gotta get new suckers now. Oopsie. Right. Right, have a think. There. Solder wick, where you gone? Have I run out of solder wick too? No, I have a little bit left. That's something. Is the solder sucker put in this case? Maybe it's not. Okay. I'm trying a different angle with the camera today. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with that. Right, this tin, the tip with a bit of leaded solder. And then we'll use a bit of solder wick. So give it a tin, a bit of a clean, re-tin it. And then we're going to see if we can clean up most of this mess here. It's always really important to tin your tip when you're desoldering something. Come on, here we go. Otherwise, you're supposed to have a flux down too for the most part, but I'm hoping I can just get away with this one. There we go, there's one done. Okay. Let's undo it and see if we can get the battery off. There we go, all off. Okay. Right. As you can see by here, all the copper's gone, but that's fine because it feeds through the other side. We just got to find a battery. In my box, or have I got one? Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. I know this one works. Right then. Big chunky end. Are these the right batteries? Maybe not. Maybe. I don't know. They're not, but they will do the job. So now, I'm not going to put this back in the clamp for this. tack this by you. I will tidy it up. I'm just doing a quick tack on that, just so I can check the board. I'm looking for any other damage I am, to be honest with you. Let's push it down. Right, let's tack a bit more solder on this one. Push down hard, quickly solder. I should put flux down like I said, but I haven't. So I'll just squeeze it together, do a quick touch. There you go, she went click, she went in a bit more. Definitely need flux on that bad boy. So we put a dab of flux there. There we go. She's now pulled together really lovely. So now a bit of IPA on a toothbrush and the job's a good one. Now on these original remotes you'll find that they may not soldering, they won't give out signal usually. See, aftermarkets that tend to put out the signal. So I'll have to try with the car and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching. That's the quick repair. I heard the car click in the background, so the job's a good one. So thank you for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe.